Hello! Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. You might have seen this bad boy around town in Hunt Showdown 1896. And of course, as a huge crossbow user myself, I had to try it out. The Chokunu. The Chokunu. The Chokuku. However that's supposed to be pronounced. Now, I may cover the basic version in another video. I really wanted to try the explosive bolts with it, cause I was a little confused on how this was going to work. And still, after spending many hours playing this, I'm still quite confused. Cause in the menu it reads, a highly volatile and explosive bolt. And it really doesn't give us any information what this thing is, other than a fuse timer on 1.5 seconds. And after trying it out in the shooting range, it's a little clearer, but still quite confusing. So I'll try and explain it as simple as possible and how I think about it in my head. Don't judge me. When you shoot a bolt, it explodes after 1.5 seconds. The same way a normal crossbow with explosive bolts would explode on impact. You following? Great. Now, if you hit a hunter directly, it sticks to them like a bomb lance harpoon would. And it causes bleeding like a frag arrow would with the bow. But it only causes bleeding if you stick them directly. Okay, maybe this was not the most simple explanation. It's a very confusing mix of everything. It definitely seems like they couldn't quite decide on how and what this thing should be able to do, so it's just doing a little bit of everything. I would not say that after spending a full day of playing with it, it's gonna be my main weapon, but you can absolutely get some funny moments with it. Since solo games are quite rough in 1896, I decided to take it for a spin in random matchmaking, which wasn't such a bad idea. I hope you guys will like this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing if you're into fun Hunt Showdown content, and I'll see you in the next one. Ah. Little scary. It makes them bleed. It is fragmental, dude. Interesting. Anyone else? But where? She did not realize she was rust, I think. Ah! Oh, I was deaf. What a cool effect. What a cool thing. Oh my god, he's spending more time on fucking pinging than wrestling his teammates! Rest me. Rest me. Rest me. That was a pretty cool Dauntless. I'll give him that. But fucking hell! Priorities? I was not one of them. Alright. Let's bullet it up. Bullets! Can't communicate with them. I got 5! No, what? Yeah, I got 5 from that. Woohoo! Okay. Alright, well, shit. I think it helped that I knew that it was like frag arrows. Because I was just thinking, I'm shooting frag arrows. I've practiced in that. It's pretty good. Oh. I cannot participate in this at all. I can't even see them, dude. They're full bushing. I can't really follow. Bruh. They are so far away. Come play with us. Okay, they're all the same place though. What do I get if I hit one of these stupid ass shots? Do I get something? Like a medal or something? That would be insane. Ah! Okay. Okay, we're going. Ow. Can you ping one more time? I'm almost confused about where they are. Thank you. God, I hate the ping sound in this game. It's bad. It's bad. It's poking it into my ear holes. Stop, please. This is kind of nasty. I think it's good that you don't get that many bullets left. Because you can, like, it's not like the bow. You can literally spam them fast. The bow, you literally have to pull back, shoot again. Spend time, pull back, shoot again. So yeah, it's a bit nasty. Oh. Hey, ow, could you not?
Watch out, that trap.
Wait, who was? I feel like someone was sniping from the mountain. Ugh, I hate this place. Stupid sounds. Ah! You went up and not down. What the hell? Thank you! Sorry!
fine, it's fine.
Oh! I got scared. I scared myself. Thank you. You saved my life. What the hell? That was wild. Ooh. The Room of Death. Dude, I used everything I had on these.
Silence on me. Other team.
Oh.
Wow, really?
I can't see them.
Thank you.
Wait, was that my teammate? Really? Traded? Strange. Yeah, I must have hit my teammate because I didn't get any hit marker. Oh. I traded on the staircase. Wow. Are we doing it? Two more. Oh.
There's two
really?
on 300 and one on 0, yeah. And there's a beat. And they're throwing some shit.
Great.
Wow. I catched it.
Nice. Good job. Fuck me.
I couldn't. Throwing some shit.
Confused. I'm sorry. Oh my god, that was so confusing. I don't know who died. I don't know what happened. I don't know who I am. Thank you.
Oh my god.
This was a mess. Holy shit.
Oh, shit, yeah.
Good job. I'm assuming we're clear. Wow.
Yeah, it's clear.
Oh, wow. This guy's feeling it too. Wow. Wow, everywhere. Hello. Oh. Wait, that was really cool. Oh. Okay, now I'm just missing everything. Where's my teammates? All right, nowhere. Cool. Girl. Magpie. Could my teammates maybe participate? That would be cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Damn. That did not go where I wanted it to go. Damn! Is it slow or is it not hitting where I'm aiming? Can't figure it out. I think that guy is the one I knifed though. Just a crutcher. I'm a salesman. Yeah, I get it! Stop, please! Fucking hell! Do not ping it one more time. I'm going crazy! Oh no. We're closed, sorry. I'm not selling anything. We're closed. Ah! That's scary to be in here and not be able to escape. Where's the ammo? Bum 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 bum. Wait, what did I take just now? No! I opened the fucking ammo crate. Stupid. Ping it again. Going crazy. Damn, dude. Like, I see him literally hitting that nade, but no hit marker. Unless the perspective is completely off. I don't know. Oh. That's annoying. Damn. I thought that would work. Next. Sakes. Sakes. Get out, dude. Get out, man. Get out. It's funny. Okie dokie, sorry. Could see them just leaving now. Why don't things die? They're leaving. Sort of. I'm gonna kill myself here. Oh! Nice! Ooh. Ooh. Ah! I'm stuck! Please! No! 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 Is she dead yet? No! Please, they don't die when you stick them. I think my brain is like, oh, it's a fucking bomb lance. It's not a bomb lance at all. I don't care about the stick. Eh. He is running off. Kills. Oh. There is people here. People in that building. One up top. Time to chukunu. Hello. Hello. Damn. Oh. That was a lot. You must have felt a bit bullied. Oh my god. What are you guys doing? Oh my god, I sounded like I sounded like that fucking dog. I sounded like Goofy. No. Oh no. Oh no, I sounded like Goofy. Yeah, we clear. Good job. Woo! And it came straight from the heart. I can't even do it if I try. It's funny. 3 people in the building. What is outside? One left. Just one. Do you have Mosin? Can't take it. Ugh. We're clear. GG. This guy's rolling up now. What happened? What happened? Dude, there's so many bodies here. Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah, the butcher's in there. People in here as well. They're fighting him. I thought there was someone out here. Sugar? Oh, good job. If I like the chukunu, it's stupid. Works half of the time. It is silly. Very unpredictable. Don't really understand. Especially the explosive. Just don't really get it. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Where you burn him? It looks like that talk show dude. Oh, Jimmy Fallon or something? Don't think that's him. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Wow. How did I hit her? Whoa. 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 I don't know my own powers. I swear, dude, I hit her through this.
One I killed somewhere in the field. One at this
Yeah,
device.
she's here. Good job.